Hello everyone, and welcome back to CircuitForge. Modern embedded systems don't just perform tasks, they communicate with users. Whether it's a smartwatch, a smart meter, or an EV charger, displays are an essential part of the user interface. In today's video, we'll interface an OLED display with the Arduino, learn the basics of I2C communication, and build our very first embedded dashboard. So let's get started. This tiny display is called an OLED display. OLED stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode. Unlike traditional LCDs, every pixel on an OLED generates its own light, making it brighter, sharper, and perfect for compact embedded devices. Because of its low power consumption and excellent visibility, you'll find OLED displays in countless embedded and IoT projects. The wiring is very straightforward. Connect the OLED exactly as shown in the circuit diagram. Once your connections are complete, we're ready to move on to programming. To simplify communication with the OLED, we'll use two libraries, Adafruit SSD1306 and Adafruit GFX. Install both from the Arduino Library Manager before continuing. Rather than memorizing every line of code, it's more useful to understand the program's architecture. First, we include the required libraries. Then, we initialize the OLED display. Next, we design our dashboard by placing text, icons, and graphics on the screen. Finally, we refresh the display so the updated information becomes visible. Thinking this way makes your programs easier to understand and easier to debug. The OLED is not limited to displaying text. We can draw pixels, lines, rectangles, circles, and even custom graphics. By combining these simple elements, engineers build professional user interfaces found in embedded products. In the next video, we'll connect a real sensor and display live sensor data on the OLED, taking this project one step closer to a real embedded system. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to CircuitForge, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.